Mm, it's a like a tiny thing that you can put another pearl stone that you like. But I don't know, maybe this is something before, but no, it's just a plain now. There's a noise before and I saw it come out with this one. It's inside of this. So I'm just gonna put it back. Just put it back in there. There is this is Swiss made, and there's like a initial, I don't know, it's the R or something in 56. I can open up, so needs a kind of cute.